Longwe was the first one to stand up and to run out, so he never defended or protected anyone.
Okay, so he didn't take care of anyone who was inside the house. He just ran out and left all of you.
Yes, that's true.
In hospital, you testified that there was a fight from Mandisa's friends with Miss Kelly Khumalo. You remember that?
Yes.
Do you know what was the fight about?
I think waphela kwabangani bamandisa knowing ukuthi ngabasebenzisela lento yensikile Senzo mhlawumbe nabo kwabe ukuhluthwa kwenhliziyo ngoba vele ngiyacabanga ukuthi babengayingeni bengamthandi uKelly.
Maybe because it is Mandisa's friends and this had happened to Senzo, maybe it's just that it was that emotions ran high and they didn't like Kelly.
And mhlawumbe abanye bekuvuka amanye ama minutes because mawukhumbula kahle ukuthi no Kelly no Zandi bake bamhlasela uMandisa.
Okay, maybe there were some other agendas that then came to the fore because if you remember well, Kelly and Zandile once attacked Mandisa.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Mthokozisi. Let's go back now into the house. Okay. It is your evidence that Mr. Longwe Twala. Okay, before I go there, my lord, I'm sorry. Can I just rephrase? When the first intruder came in, did he point you with the firearm or did he just demand the cell phone? What was the action movement of the intruder?
Uma ngabe lo woqala ke kulabo ababili abangena endlini esengena ke endlini ngaba wanikhomba yini ngesibhamu noma wafuna nje kuphela ama cell phone nemali?
Hayi wafuna ama cell phone nemali kodwa isibhamu sasibona kodwa ke isikhombe again.
He just demanded cell phones and money but he didn't point the firearm at anyone, but we saw the firearm but it wasn't pointed at anyone.
Okay. And there is no cell phone that was robbed or taken at that time when he demanded money and cell phone.
Ngaleso sikhathi leso ke afuna ama cell phones kanye nemali ayikho cell phone eyathathwa ngaleso sikhathi leso.
At that point.
Yes.
No.
Okay. At any stage, did you see any cell phone? If there is any cell phone that was taken in your presence, robbed in your presence?
Ikhona ya cell phone ke uma sekuqhubekeka ke sekuhamba isikhathi ikhona cell phone eyathathwa noma wayibona wena ithathwa?
Mina ngisakhona endlini cha yikho.
No, when I was still in the house, no, there isn't any.
Okay. And when you were inside in the house when the first shot was fired, and when the second shot was fired, you were not there?
Ubungaphakathi endlini uma sikhoma kokuqala isibhamu uma sesikhoma kokwesibili ubungasekho ngaphakathi endlini. Yes, that's true.
And you cannot be able to tell this court who fired the shot that killed the deceased.
Futhi angeke ke ukwazike noma kubekufana ke isimo sokuthi ichazeleke lenkantolo ukuthi ubani owakhumisa isibhamu leso ke esashaya ke noma sabulala umufi.
Yeah,
yes, I hear what you say.
No, just answer the question. You cannot. You did not see.
Yeah.
You were outside.
Yes, that's
yes. So qala sakhoma ngisendlini. So naso soqala ngazo ngisona yini, but angazi lakho nami angenze ngisho ukuthi lesoqala ngisiphi. Yes.
The first shot went off. I was in the house, but yes, I cannot say whether that was the shot or which one. So yes, I don't know.
And specifically with the second one, when you were outside, you did not see who fired shot, whether it was Kelly Khumalo who fired shot. You did not see that.
Ikakhulukazi ke lesi esesibili ukukhuluma ngasesibili ukuthi ubani owadubula noma ukuthi uKelly owadubula awukwazi lokho ngaphandle endlini.
Ngingasho ukuthi nabe kuthiwa ubani owayesendlini angibonanga, not specifically to Kelly ababekulaba ababesendlini.
I would say that whoever it was that was inside the house, not specifically Kelly, but from those that were in the house, I don't know, I didn't see.
Ngoba akusakhona uma Kelly khona uZandi khona suspect number 1 kukhona noMphumela.
Kelly's mother was there, Zandi was there, Kelly was there, suspect number 1, Umelo was also there.
But my question,
but the firearm, sorry?
Mr. Mthokozisi, let's learn to answer the question. I am asking. You did not see who fired the shot.
Awubonanga ubani owadubula.
Usubuza kahle ukuthi mention uKelly. So ube bias of mention uKelly.
Now you're asking correctly because we're biased in specifically mentioning Kelly.
Yeah,
and leaving the others.
So the answer you did not see?
Yes.
But yes, I didn't. Yebo angibonanga.
Okay. You had said Mr. Longwe Twala had ran out of the house and you also followed him. Am I correct?
Shilo ukuthi uLongwe waphumela ngaphandle wasumlandela ke nawe.
So Longwe Twala is the first one who ran out of the house, okay?
Not that I followed him, but I ended up going out of the house.
Yes. That's why I asked the highest level of education, because I wanted to see the level of comprehension of this evidence. Longwe Twala ran out first. You eventually followed to run out of the house. Is that correct?
uLongwe ke umuntu oqala owaphuma washe nawe uyalandela ke uyaphumela ngaphandle.
Yebo ngagcina ngiphumile nami.
Yes, I ended up going out.
When you ran out of the house, did you see Longwe Twala outside the house within the premises?
Sorry. Uma usubalekela ngaphandle ke egcekeni noma ngaphandle ke esitratini wambona yini uLongwe Twala?
Cha, ngimbonanga.
No, I didn't see him.
Okay. And when you ran out, you said you ran out of Khumalo's premises into the street. Is that your evidence?
Waphuma ke uma usubaleka waphuma wabaleka waphuma ke egcekeni lakaKhumalo wabalekela esitratini.
Yebo.
Yes,
It's true.
That's true.
The witness, Ms. Ntabiseng Mukherjee, testified that he saw two people running on the streets.
Kubakhe ke ubufakazi uMthabiseng yena uthi ke wabona abantu ababili bebaleka estradini.
Was it possibly
Yes.
you and the second intruder?
Sorry.
Was it possibly you and the second intruder?
Engabe mhlambe kwakuwena kanye nalo wesibili. Sorry.
I think that question is with the greatest of respect, I think it might be misleading because you testified that the persons ran in the direction of the park, and that's not what this witness did.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, my lord. The evidence of Ms. Ntabiseng, my lord, is that the two people ran towards the left-hand side of Ngash's homestead.
It's actually three.
Sorry, my lord?
It's actually three.
Yes,
I was
yes.
following the evidence.
Yes, my lord, but right now I was referring the witness to the two. Yes. According to my understanding of Ms. Ntabiseng's evidence, my lord, is that they ran towards the left-hand side when they moved out of Mr. Khumalo's homestead,
Yes.
which is the direction that was testified by Ms. Ntabiseng, my lord.
Towards the park.
Towards the park, yes. But for the witness, it was to the left-hand side,
Fine.
outside of Khumalo's homestead, because he won't know whether he was proceeding to the park or
Okay,
what.
fine. You can
Yes.
pose that question.
Thank you, my lord.
What's the question?
The witness, Ms. Ntabiseng, testified that he saw two people running towards the left-hand side on the street in the vicinity where she was sitting in the car opposite Ngash's homestead. She saw two people running down the street.
Kubakhe ke ubufakazi uMthabiseng wabona ke abantu ababili bebaleka emgaqweni la awe hlezi khona ke phakathi emotweni futhi bebalekela ke ngakuhlangothi langaku left.
Do you understand?
I understand. I know I'm not supposed to ask questions. Uthe uMthabiseng uhlala opposite nakangashi. Is that what you're saying?
Did you say that he stays opposite the matches? I just want to.
The evidence of Ms. Ntabiseng is that she was at the car
Yes.
standing in the vicinity of Khumalo's neighbor, precisely opposite Ngash's homestead.
La eyayimi khona ke le moto le athi wayehlezi kuyona uMthabiseng yayimi opposite kwaNgachi. La ukuhlala khona kumakhumalo but imi opposite kwaNgachi.
Ake ngazi ke noma ayibona mina ngangagijimi naye kanje angimshiya mina ngigijima ngedwa yena engilandela ngemuva futhi mina ngajomba la igate elincane ngaphandle ukuthi imoto yayibheke angazi ukuthi imoto yayibheke ngakuphi. That's another would be another question engabuza ukuthi yayibheke ngakuphi imoto plus mina ngibaleka ngayo ngasepaki ngaphuma la egate ngangena egate ukuze igate lala kancane.
I don't know whether she was seeing me, and the other thing is that I was not running with the person. I was ahead and the person was following me, and I did not run towards the park. I ran and I jumped to the small gate at the matches. The other thing or the other question that one needs to ask is to whether which direction was the car facing.
And also, Mr. Mthokozisi, Mr. Longwe Twala, who ran out of the house first, you don't know whether he ran out to the street or what happened to him.
Futhi ke ngathi ephuma ke endlini esebaleka ke Mthokozisi uLongwe awazi nokuthi wabaleka wangena estradini noma wabaleka kwenzekani ngayo.
Yebo ngisile.
Yes, that's true.
But according to your evidence, the three people who ran out of the house, it was Mr. Longwe Twala, yourself, and the so-called second intruder.
Kodwa ke ngokufakazi nje bakho kuphela ke abantu abawu3 abaphuma ke begijima ke bebaleka endlini kwakuLongwe Twala kwakuwena nalo othi kwaku owesibili.
Yebo.
Yes, true.
Okay. When you ran out now out of Khumalo's homestead, did you see if Longwe Twala was there on the road?
Ngathi usuphuma ke manje la kwakhumalo ke ubaleka ke ngabe wabona yini ukuthi uLongwe wayikhona lapha emgaqweni?
Hayi angimbonanga.
No, I didn't see him.
Let's go to his statement that he made. A7. Can I ask that I be assisted, my lord, with the statement of the witness A57? I just want to refer this witness to one paragraph in that statement A57. To paragraph 8, which reads as follows, my lord. I ran out of the gate, turned left, looking for the boys. Can you see that one? Do you see that paragraph? Maybe it's not numbered, but it starts with the word "I ran out." Okay. Can I just read the whole paragraph into the record? Then I will ask you a question regarding the content of that paragraph. My lord, it's paragraph 8. I read, my lord, into the record. Open quote. I ran out of the gate, turned left, looking for the boys that used to hang up at the corner. And it is your evidence that you did not see Mr. Longwe Twala inside Khumalo's premises and outside the gate.
Ubufakazi bakho ukuthi awuzange umbone ngaphakathi egcekeni nangaphandle kumphuma ngithi uLongwe.
Yebo.
Yes.
Okay. But there was nobody. I then heard a gunshot, 2 loud ones. The third one was not loud. I cannot say it was a gunshot or not. I had my phone with me, but battery was low. After gunshots, I decided to run back to the house. I didn't get back to the house immediately. I was standing on the street for plus or minus 30 seconds. I was confused, not sure whether I must go back or not. I must run. Thereafter, I decided to go back to the house.
Ngabaleka ke ngaphuma ngegate ngathena ku left ngibheka ke abafana ababejwayele noma babevamise ukuthi bahlaleke lapho ekhoneni kodwa kwakungena umuntu ngase ngizwa ke uqhuma kwesibhamu amahlandla amabili elesithathu ke ihlandla zange lisho ke bange umsindo ke angeke ngisho ke noma kwaku yisibhamu noma cha ngangine phone yami mina kodwa ke ibhetri yayo yayi low emuva ke ukuthi isibhamu saqhuma ngathatha isinqumo ke sokuthi ngibalekeke ngibuyele endlini angizange ngibuyele ngaleso sikhathi noma ngaleso sikhathi ngema ke ama seconds awu30 ngangididekile ngingazi ke noma ngenaso isiqiniseko sokuthi ngibuyele noma ngibaleke emuva kwalokho ngathatha isinqumo ke sokuthi ngibuyele endlini.
Close quote, my lord. Did you understand what I've read to you?
Yes.
Okay. Did you see him, Mr. Longwe Twala, standing on the street?
Wambone Mr.
Ngibe sengishilo ukuthi ngikhumbula ngimbona.
As I've already said that I don't remember seeing him.
And Longwe says, I decided to go back to the house.
Yena ke la uthi wanquma ke ukuthi abuyele endlini.
It is your evidence that you can't recall if he came back or not.
Ubufakazi bakho ukuthi awukhumbuli ukuthi wabuyela noma cha.
Yebo, kuyibona bami.
That is my evidence.
Was Longwe present when you carried the deceased to the car?
Kanti seniqhubula ke umufi nyomfake emotweni uLongwe wayekhona.
Hayi ngikhumbula isizwe lonke thina siqhubula umuntu.
No, I don't remember Longwe assisting us in picking up the deceased.
Okay. Did you see, Longwe says he drove with Makhumalo to the hospital.
uLongwe uthi ke wahamba noma Khumalo ukuya esibhedlela.
Did you see that?
Wabona lokho?
Ake ngize ngikubone ngoba phela ngisengihambile mina.
I would not have seen it because I had already left.
Okay. Let's now move on to back into